Uplift is a buy now, pay later service that allows you to book flights and pay in installments. Here's how to use Uplift for flights. Choose an airline partner. Uplift partners with many airlines like American Airlines, United, and Southwest. Visit the airline's website or Uplift's partner page to check if your preferred airline offers Uplift as a payment option. Search for your flight. Select your flight dates and destinations on the airline's website or app, just as you normally would when booking a flight. Select Uplift at checkout. During the payment process, look for the Uplift option. Select it as your payment method. Uplift will offer you various financing plans, typically spreading the cost of your flight over 3, 6, or 12 months depending on your eligibility. Apply and get approved. Once selected, you'll be redirected to Uplift's application page. Provide basic information such as your name, phone number, and last 4 digits of your social security number for a quick credit check. Upon approval, Uplift will show you the exact monthly payments, interest rate, and total cost. Complete your booking. If you agree with the terms, confirm the payment. Uplift will pay the airline, and you will make your first payment at checkout. The remaining installments will be deducted automatically from your linked bank account or card.